Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing something a little bit different, and that is my face. And that's a little bit warranted because today we're doing a little tech review. It's not exactly a review per se, it's more like an impressions. So about a month ago, I bought these set of earphones, and they are called the KZ ZSN Pro X. Now, I know you're wondering if they borrowed their name from Sony's, and that would be a pretty good assumption, but no, that is not the case, unfortunately. What they are, in fact, are a very capable pair of earphones for a very low price. So I bought these for about 22 pounds, and they are some excellent pair of earphones for the money. Now, essentially, I'm not really a frequent tech buyer, okay? I've been using the earphones that I'm recording with this video with for the past 4 years. And I will be using these for the next 4 or 5 years as well. So I thought, wouldn't it be a good idea to invest in these a little bit, okay? And that's why I got a little accessory for them for 25 pounds, which may seem quite a lot for an accessory, but just a second, you'll see, this is very cool. So this case is the KZ AZ-09, again, bought from Sony. I'm sure you're wondering if they're not. And essentially what these are a bunch of ear hooks, as you can see, with a Bluetooth module at the very end. And there's a little trick up these KZ sleeves, and that is, boom. How cool is that? It completely detaches from the cable. And of course, it's going to do with the other one as well. I mean, why would it not, right? So now you have these earphones all by themselves. And this is great because if your 3.5mm cable ever gets destroyed for some reason, you can always just replace that. You don't have to replace the whole earphone. But what that also enables is wired to wireless conversion. You'll see what I mean. So let me take these ear hooks off of them, off of the case. And there you go. You can see that they have a little connector at the end. Now this is a C-type connector that's called a C-type connector in the audio world. It's not the same as the USB-C, obviously. And essentially, you can just plop that, you can just attach these into the earphones, and now they're wireless. Like, how crazy is that, right? In just 2 minutes, I have been able to convert these wired earphones into wireless for the mere cost of 25 pounds. That is crazy. That is actually insane. Now, of course, these come with all the drawbacks of wireless earphones as well. So they have a little mic in there, but it's not the best mic. It's terrible actually. But it does the job for calls. So yeah, here's the microphone quality from the KZ AZ-09s. Again, as I said, not the best audio quality in the world, but it is fine. It is manageable. Although there is one thing that is unique to them, that if I take these earphones out and I bring them towards me, there you go. Now it's facing towards me, but again, I can't hear anything now. It sounds a little bit better, but yeah, not really much point in telling you about that because no one's gonna use it like that. Anyway, that's just how they're normally gonna sound. And again, the latency is not gonna be as good as wired earphones. But for normal wireless earphones, you cannot just, attach a wire to them. But these, you can simply just disconnect at any moment and attach the wire if you're gaming on your phone or on your laptop, or you want to take it somewhere else. Or maybe if your computer does not have a Bluetooth module, you can just take this apart, put the cable in, and bam, now you have wired set of earphones. How insane is that? Like, I don't know why no one else thought of this at this point. Like, Apple, what are you doing? Samsung, you have AKG with you. You're just laying that to waste. This is ingenious. This is ingenious. Do this. Yeah. Now, of course, this wouldn't be worth it if the earphones themselves didn't sound good. And I can assure you that the KZ ZSN Pro Xs, they sound good. Really good for the money. In fact, this is the best pair of earphones I've tried. Period. I mean, I've not really tried that many pair of earphones, but these are really good. So battery life, I haven't really tested the battery life. I will let you know about that in the full review. But this case doubles as a charging case as well. Like, you can carry them in this, but this also charges the Bluetooth module. And pairing is actually simple. You turn on the Bluetooth on your phone, you open the case, and bam, it enters pairing mode. You can see the red, it blinking red and blue right there. It's now pairing. I mean, I haven't really connected it to my phone though. So let me quickly show you how this looks on me. Let me just quickly take this out. And there we go. Insert that in, put the ear hook behind your ear, and bam, that's it. Like, they look genuinely really cool, right? They don't look stupid like a lot of the wireless earphones do. And the Bluetooth module just hangs at the back of your ear. It also has a little button over there that you can use for pausing or starting music, or skipping tracks, or taking calls and stuff like that. I'm not sure if you want to take calls on these though, because their microphone, as I said, horrible. But I mean, that's the problem with all wireless earphones, isn't it? Their microphones are not amazing. They're just acceptable. But yeah, that has been a little showcase of this cool tech product I bought. As for the audio quality, and this fact will surprise you, there is minimal audio quality loss when you switch from the wired to the wireless. I know, it sounds crazy. For the mere, 40 pounds I spent on these, it's actually close to 47 pounds. These are genuinely one of the best wireless earphones I've tried. And I've tried quite a few actually, quite a few cheap ones. I've tried ones that cost about 30 pounds, and these absolutely blow them apart. Obviously, I mean, you spend a little bit more, you get a little bit more. But again, I cannot stress this enough. These are generally good pair of earphones, wired and wireless. There's always pros and cons, however, and the big con with this is that there's a slight hiss whenever you connect them with the Bluetooth module. And that is mainly because the earphones themselves have pretty low sensitivity. So you can hear quite a lot of the background static that goes around in the electronics inside. And that's also true if you plug these in wires. For example, I hear a little bit of a hiss when you're connected to my phone as well as my laptop. But you know, that's a little sacrifice that is absolutely worth the price. Like, in turn, these earphones give you full freedom. You can use them while running, you can use them while going to the gym. They're not gonna fall out on you because they're so nicely attached and they don't feel uncomfortable. That's the biggest part. I've used earphones that are so uncomfortable when you wear them for long periods of time. These, not at all. They are super comfortable. And that has been just a little tech showcase of a really cool product that I wanted to show you guys. I might make a full review on these. I'm not sure. Do you guys want to see that? But yeah, I'm not even sure how I'm going to review the sounds on these. Maybe I'll show you a little chart, like an audio spectrum graph, and talk about the audio. But I'm not an audiophile, so I don't barely know what any of that means. I don't know if you want to watch me talking nonsense. But anyway, that has been it. Thank you so much for that. So thank you so much for watching. And I will see you guys in my next video. Perhaps gaming video. Catch you later. Bye-bye.